Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Play, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can record device sound, record microphone sound, show touches on the screen. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Then it also asks you for these settings, but you can set it to don't ask again. Tap start, and after the countdown, recording begins. So now it's on. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called Screen Record, and here it is.
So now it's on. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red button.
From here you can perform these actions from this on this video, like you can share, edit, play it in the background, put it on loop. I guess you can also hold down finger on it and delete, collage, and other features here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.